A lot of people make the mistake of taking peppers from the house and putting them straight outside in the full sun. But peppers are tender plants, especially when they've been raised indoors. They need time to adjust. So what I'm doing here is giving them gently outdoor exposure. Fresh air, natural light, and a little breeze, but not too much direct sunlight all at once. That's why some of them are under the table. It might look messy, but this is actually protection. The table gives them that shade while they get used to being outside. They can still feel the outdoor temperature. They can still get airflow, but they are not being scorched by the sun. This is how I help my plants strengthen them before they move to their final position. I've also got some peppers already planted in fabric grow bags. These grow bags are brilliant because they drain well, they allow air around the roots, and they're easier for me to move around the garden while I'm still deciding where everything is going to live. Once the garden is organized, these bags will be part of the final display. Right now, the garden looks like a working garden, and that's okay. Every beautiful garden goes through a messy stage. Before the flowers bloom, before the color comes, before the peppers start fruiting, there's always a stage where everything looks a little bit all over the place. But this is the stage where the magic is happening. The plants are being trained, the peppers are getting stronger, the roots are settling, the garden is slowly waking up. And even though it may not look beautiful today, I can already see what it's going to become. Soon these grow bags will be lined up nicely. The peppers will be standing tall. The flowers will bring color. The strawberries, corn, and the other plants will all have their place. What looks messy now is just the beginning of something beautiful. So I want to encourage somebody today. Don't be ashamed of your garden. While it's in the progress, don't wait until everything is perfect before you share it. Sometimes the messy stage is the most important stage because that's where the work is being done. This is real gardening, guys. It's moving pots around. It's protecting plants from the sun. It's hardening peppers slowly. It's learning where the light falls, where the wind hits, and where each plant will do best. So keep watching because this messy garden is going to transform. It might look like chaos now, but soon it will be full of color, peppers, flowers, and life. This is a journey from messy to beautiful, from young plants to harvest, from small beginnings to a garden full of abundance. Welcome to the Real Garden Progress at DW Garden. Yeah, strawberries are coming through. So much things happening right now. Oh yeah, some of the peppers I've planted out and they're in there. They're permanent homes. They still look good. There's lemon balm. Yeah, there's so much going on. Just ignore the rubbish because, listen, I'll show you how it is now. You're not going to believe when you see it later on. These are bags to be packed. I'm going to do some hanging baskets. I've got all the plants there to put in there. And yes, I'm hardening the plants. You see my socks here, so I'm hardening off the plants so they're under the table. So a good idea is to put them under shade. The sun will be warm. You don't want to put the direct heat on them to harden them off. But yeah, you see how they're looking great. So you don't want to damage your plants by just throwing them out in the element of the sunshine. So harden your plants off, put them under a table. So you notice they're under the table. And yeah, can't wait guys. But keep watching, keep subscribing to DW Garden for more interesting content to see how I am going to get on with this garden. It's gonna be lovely, seriously. All right, take care, have a great day.